We'll see you shortly. Thank you, Dennis. If you received the COVID-19 vaccine, you got a paper certificate from the CDC like you see here. And the reason is to provide proof of your vaccination.
But all new at 6, I-Team investigator Adam Walser uncovered a growing black market for counterfeit vaccination cards with a local connection.
This is the greatest scientific achievement in history, getting these vaccines rolled out.
Tampa wedding and events planner Brooke Palmer Cool was so excited to get her COVID-19 vaccination, she proudly posted pictures on Facebook.
We need to get back to work. We need to be able to travel. I wanted to be able to hug my parents.
Cool is among thousands who display CDC cards on social media, like winning lottery tickets. And to some, those 4x3-inch cards could be just as valuable. Potentially allowing people to return to work, fly certain places, or board cruise ships.
In order for us to have our freedoms in society here in the United States or around the world, we may need either negative COVID tests or vaccine proof.
Brian Linder is an emerging threats expert for Checkpoint Software. He says ads for counterfeit COVID test results and vaccination certificates are blowing up on the dark web.
So there's a buzz of activity there. So why are people advertising there? Because they know that people will come.
The dark web is like the wild, wild west of the internet, an unregulated marketplace where consumers can use Bitcoin to buy bad stuff like drugs, kiddie porn, weapons, or phony documents.
In the dark web, $25 gets you a negative COVID-19 test, and $200 gets you a CDC, what looks like an authentic CDC vaccine card.
Linder says aside from threatening public health, cyber criminals are making money from their customers by reselling their names, dates of birth, email, and home addresses. He also cautions against posting pictures of the cards on social media, saying that can give private information to criminals. Counterfeit vaccination documents are showing up for sale on mainstream websites as well. James Konkar, a 26-year-old internet marketing specialist at 1305 Creative in Tampa, posted on TikTok that he was selling blank COVID vaccine cards.
I have been calling these people out.
Mississippi pharmacist Savannah Mom shared Konkar's post in a video, which got more than 200,000 views.
Joking about public health and patient safety is not a joke.
After her video went viral, 1305 tweeted, "We are aware of the allegations against one of our employees. This employee has been terminated as we have concluded a swift review of his actions." The company declined further comment. According to public records, Konkar lives in a gated neighborhood in Wesley Chapel. Since he was fired, he has deactivated all his social media sites. We left a message for him at his home, but have not yet heard back from him.
And this gentleman saved a family's Christmas.
Long before his TikTok post, James Konkar was considered a hero. When he was 19, Konkar was named first runner-up for the Be More Positive Award presented by ABC Action News. Konkar found more than $700 a customer dropped in a grocery store parking lot and turned it over to a manager so it could be returned to its rightful owner. Konkar has not been charged with a crime related to his recent post. The Pasco County Sheriff's spokesperson said in an emailed statement, "We are aware of the instance, but we do not currently have an investigation open on this individual." A local FBI spokesperson emailed, "While the FBI does not confirm or deny the existence of an investigation, we want to assure the public the FBI remains committed to pursuing those exploiting the COVID-19 pandemic to perpetuate fraud schemes." Security experts say one reason fraud is rampant is that the CDC cards are easy to forge and can't be tracked like passports or driver's licenses.
And we were in such a rush, and understandably so as a country, to get these vaccines done that the idea of making them, let's say, digitally verifiable was an afterthought.
Has the horse already left the barn with this, if so many people already have these cards?
We're going to have hundreds of millions of vaccination doses administered in a matter of a very short period of time. And I think we're in a challenge now to catch up on that.
President Biden says tracking vaccines will be left up to private companies or states. Governor Ron DeSantis signed an order prohibiting so-called vaccination passports in Florida last week.
I think this is something that has huge privacy implications. It is not necessary to do.
Cool says people should not look for shortcuts when it comes to getting vaccinated.
It's just super important to protect your health and the health of others.
Those people trying to game the system, what would you tell them?
Don't. Go get your shot. It's not that hard. It's free.
We contacted the CDC last week to see if there are any planned changes to cards like these to reduce the chances of forgery. But so far, we haven't heard back from them. I'm I-Team investigator Adam Walser taking action for you.